If you're eyeing Mississippi for your next home or just curious about the living cost, you're in for a ride. I'm here to guide you through living in Mississippi in 2024, navigating living costs. From housing to everyday expenses, stick around as we break down the essentials of living in this charming state. Whether you're a local or potential resident, this video is your key to understanding the cost of living. The cost of living in Mississippi is generally lower compared to the national average and ranked number one in the country for affordability. Factors like housing, groceries, and transportation tend to be more affordable. Keep in mind that specific expenses can vary based on your location within the state. First, we're going to dive in the current housing market in Brandon, Mississippi. The average house price in this area is $353,000 and their average rental price is $2,300. And of course, that depends on which area and neighborhood you're looking in as it affects price. Currently in the Brandon market, home prices range from $80,000 to $1.59 million. The larger homes generally are waterfront or on larger parcels of acreage, and typically there is a large number of homes to choose from in all price ranges. And speaking of home prices, you can expect your property taxes to be about 0.007% of your home value in Brandon, which is significantly lower than the national average, so that means more cash in your pocket. Also, homeowners who are 65 and older receive additional exemptions on property taxes. Next up is day-to-day expenses such as groceries, utilities, healthcare, and transportation. And according to CNBC, Mississippi ranks as A+ for affordability for everyday cost. Your dollar seems to go a little farther in the Magnolia State, as the average gallon of milk is $2.37, and the average electric bill seems to average around $150 monthly. As of today, gas was marked at $2.47 a gallon, so you can see the living cost of living is very economical for the Brandon area. Adding on to expenses, Mississippi is one of the states with no state income tax on Social Security benefits or retirement income, a nice perk for retirees and anyone long-term planning. And if you are not close to retirement and wondering about the job market in Brandon, Mississippi, the unemployment rate is a low 4.1% according to bestplaces.net, and is reporting average household income is around $86,000 and expected to have future growth. The public school districts in Brandon are also A-rated, so you would not have to worry about private school costs unless you chose to go that route. As a Brandon resident myself, I can honestly say I love this town and everything about it. And stay tuned and we will take a quick tour of an average priced home in Brandon so you can get an idea of what you can get, and hopefully you'll be calling Brandon home soon. So we are at 177 Kennedy Farm Parkway in Brandon, and this home is in the average price point for Brandon, priced at $399,900. It is new construction, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just over 2,300 square feet. And we'll take a peek inside and show you what you can get. So come in, you do have a foyer, and it is a split plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths on this side. And the only carpet in here is in the spare bedrooms. Little linen closet when you walk in the door. Large living area with kind of an open concept to the kitchen. You do have stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, granite countertops. You do have a separate dining at the back. Also brick fireplace with the gas. Come over to the primary side. You do have a linen closet. Walk-in laundry with a sink. Primary bedroom. Walk in the primary bath, separate garden tub, stand-up shower, double vanities, and this one does have 2 separate primary closets. This one is larger. With another one over here, separate water closet. And you do have your formal dining that way. We'll take a quick peek at the backyard. So this one is on a larger lot for the Brandon city limits. It's almost just under half an acre. So you do back up to a wood line. Large covered back porch. You do have a guest half bath when you walk in from the garage. Take a quick peek. And so you do have, please ignore the building materials, 2-car garage. And so that's what you can get for an average priced home in Brandon, Mississippi. I get calls all the time from people moving homes specifically around Brandon. So reach out to me if you're looking at buying in or around Brandon or would like to know more. My number is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you'll love the next one. Now, thanks for watching.